Hello viewers, you're welcome to another tutorial class. If you are new to our channel, you're welcome. If this is your first time, we're happy to have you here. Thanks. I want to thank all those that have been supporting the channel by subscribing. Thank you for all your support. It's really appreciated. So today I'll be showing you how to embellish this corset with all these pearls. So these are round pearls, the ones without hole. Alright, so the pins we are using are these ones. Once you go to any tailoring store, they will have it to give you. Can you see it? Alright, so let me just show you. You will need this, your tool. Very important. So what you are going to do is you are going to pick your pin. I'm using the lower one here. You are going to place your pin inside. Then you pick your pearl, then you fix it in. Then you just put your whatever you want to pin, then you pin it. You press hard but not too hard. Do you understand? So because these pearls comes at various sizes, we have the teeth for the various sizes. Like me, I bought the teeth for almost 4 sizes. So the size I'm using today is the big size. So if you have this small one, it will not work. Is that okay? So once you want to buy your pivot, you have to check for all the teeth because you have to buy them separate. Is that okay? So as you can see, this one is the smallest hole. The hole of this one is wide. That is for wider beads and all those other designs of pearls that are wide. Is that okay? So I just say I should ship it in case of some of us will not know that all these pearls, they come in different sizes. So let's continue. I'm going to put in more pin. Put your pearl up. The pin goes down, the pearl goes up. There you pin. Don't pin it too hard. Is that okay? Alright. So when I'm done, this is what it looks like. Can you see how beautiful it is? So you can embellish any of your finished clothes that you want to embellish. It must not just be a corset. It might be your top. Is that okay? Anything you want to embellish with pearls at all. This is how you go about it. Thanks for watching. Alright, have a nice day. Goodbye.